If your Epic Games launcher is stuck on preparing, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your games without wasting time. This is a very common issue, and most of the time it's caused by a frozen launcher process, a bad cache, or even a small connection problem on your computer. So stay with me, follow along carefully, and by the end of this tutorial, you should have the launcher working again. And if this video helps you out, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fix tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, close the Epic Games launcher completely. Sometimes the app looks closed, but it is still running in the background and gets stuck on the preparing screen. To fix that, open Task Manager on your PC. You can do that by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together, or by right-clicking the taskbar and choosing Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running apps and background processes for anything related to Epic Games Launcher. You may see the launcher itself, Epic Web Helper, or other Epic-related processes. Click on each one and choose End the Task. This is important because if the launcher is still running in the background, restarting it normally may not solve the problem. After you have ended every Epic Games process, you can find, close Task Manager, and restart your computer. A full restart clears temporary glitches and gives the launcher a fresh start when you open it again. Once your computer is back on, take a moment to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can also cause the Epic Games launcher to hang on preparing, especially if it cannot load login data, store content, or update files properly. Make sure you are connected to the internet, try opening a website in your browser, and if possible, switch between Wi-Fi and Ethernet to see if the issue improves. If your connection seems slow or unstable, restarting your router may also help. Now, if the launcher is still stuck, the next thing you should do is clear the launcher cache. This is one of the most effective fixes because cached files can become corrupted and stop Epic Games from loading normally. To clear the cache, open File Explorer and go to the folder where Epic Games stores its Webcache file source. In most cases, you will need to navigate to the Epic Games Launcher, local app data folder, and look for a folder called Webcache. Once you find it, delete that Webcache folder. If you see more than one cache folder, remove the Webcache folders related to the launcher. Don't worry, this will not delete your games or your account, and the launcher will rebuild fresh cached files the next time it starts. After deleting the cache, open Epic Games Launcher again and see if it gets past the preparing screen. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue immediately. If it still does not load, make sure you repeat the steps carefully, fully close the launcher, end all Epic processes in Task Manager, restart your computer, confirm your internet connection is stable, and clear the Webcache folder again if needed. These simple steps solve most Epic Games Launcher preparing problems without needing advanced troubleshooting. If you are still having trouble after trying this, the issue may be related to a deeper launcher file problem, but for most users, this process is enough to get everything working again. So that's how to fix Epic Games Launcher stuck on preparing. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes, gaming tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.